Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Welcome to Things We're Making Thursday. Things We're Making Thursday, Things We're Making Thursday. Things We're Making Thursday is a collab that anybody can join in. We're in our third year. This year's theme is the year of design. And what that means is we have a theme for each month, which I have listed in my description. And for that theme, you would create your own pattern for whatever fits that theme. And so if you're interested in joining in and you're a content creator, you don't have to ask for anybody's permission. Just look at what the months are, or what the themes are for each month in my description, and then start making your own videos and use the hashtag TWMT so that we can all find each other and kind of make the group grow. If you are not a content creator, but you're like, boy, I'd love to join in with this, we do have a Facebook page. I have that listed in my description as well. And you can show pictures on our Facebook page of what you've made that fits in with the theme for that month. And it's something that you've designed yourself. We're working on trying to become designers. This month's Things We're Making Thursday, the theme is bags. I love bags. And when I think of bags, I always think of drawstring bags. And I have been designing drawstring bags for a very long time. I think I finally wrote my first pattern for the dragon head, which I'll show you today, bag in 2013. I designed it before that, but I finally wrote down the pattern for it somewhere around 2013. And then I've just started accruing more and more patterns. And then a couple years ago, I had enough patterns that I was able to put it into a book called Fantastic Fantasy Drawstring Bags, which is on Amazon. If you are interested, I have a link for it in my description. I know it's not as fancy as those publishing companies made because I self-published it and I did my best with the cover, but you know, it is what it is. And if you we're interested, it is on Amazon. And the ones I wanted to show you today, this is the first design that I had ever done, is the dragon head design. And it looks like this. And it does open up. You can put lots of stuff in there, whatever you want, and you can cinch it closed like this. But this one has been very popular. And I do have a video tutorial for this. I actually have two. I modified the design a little bit from the original a few years ago. And so I had the original tutorial put up, and then I did a second tutorial for this modified version. The other one is a little bit bigger, and I thought this one actually, this shaped up a little bit better than the first one. But I did, of course, if you watched any of my other ones this month, I did make this one in mini as well. There's the mini. Same exact stitches, same exact pattern. The only thing that's different is that I use thread yarn and a really tiny hook. Sorry, I got distracted for a minute. Another one is the bee bag. So there's like a beehive here and then a bee right here, and you can put lots of stuff in there. This one you can close with a drawstring as well. And this one, I also have a tutorial for this one. This one has been another favorite, the sloth. And the bag is a backpack. So you can open up the bag and put stuff in there. And then if you decide, you don't have to sew the arms and legs shut, but if you decide to do that, you can hang it. So that's what I've been doing, is I've been hanging it. And then this one, oh, I love this one too. This one is an axolotl. This one was by design or by request as well. This one, the arms and the legs are no sew. You just put them on as you go. And this is a very big bag because it goes all the way down to the bottom of the tail is open on the inside. And then, I know it's a little bit harder to see. This one is big, so it's hard for me to get a good view for you. So those are my designs. What have you made with this? I would love to hear from you. I would love if you could subscribe and follow along with what we do here and join in all the fun. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.